Bumberas, and this is our latest project. A lot of people think we either buy cars and flip them by fixing them, or we only do complete restorations, and this car is a good example of just the opposite. We pride ourselves in giving the customers exactly what they want. This right here is a full Coyote swap, but we aren't doing the Coyote swap. The customer only wanted us to do the suspension and the drivetrain and fabricate all the tunnel and everything to fit the new motor that's a little bigger than it was back in '66 on this Mustang. And so we're just doing the fabrication part of it, making sure that everything fits underneath and is ready for whenever they get that big bad motor in there and get it tuned up. We have a triangulated 4-link in the back of the '66 Mustang. We're also installing QA1 shocks, upgrading the brakes so it can actually stop, and a number of other things underneath this hot rod to make it awesome. With this triangulated 4-link, it eliminates the need of the pinard bar and makes sure there's no sway from left to right. This Ford 9-inch that we have in the back of the '66 Mustang is awesome because we custom fabricated it so that it's a little shorter to fit those bigger tires. We have just a few more things left to do, like tighten up that emergency brake and get the steering column hooked up, and our part of this job is done. When you're ready.
Who's phone?
Fine.
Well,
Quiet
I'm
on
moving stuff.
set.
I won't break it. I do what I gotta do. Oh, I thought you wanted action on the list.
Some Willwood brakes. It's not Willwood brakes, is it? Connected straight and no. Tires just enough. What? What? Oh. 9-inch.
Oh, whoa. Okay, ready, go. Sorry, I wasn't ready. Action! My name is Kristen.
My name's Kristen.
Yeah.
What?
What?
Yeah, the jingle, baby! The jingle!
Triangulation. Get you some.